Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manisha Sahay. I am Professor and Head of Department of Nephrology at Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad. Today I am here to invite you for the exciting and interesting research methodology workshop, which is being conducted on behalf of Idea Clinics. It's a very good concept. Do you know that 1/6 of the world's population lives in India? Almost 18% lives in India. But India contributes a very small percentage of the global biomedical research. We treat our patients based on Western guidelines. Remember, Indian patients are different and we should have separate guidelines for our own Indian patients. We have a very fertile ground for research in India because we have a huge population resource and also some of the most brilliant minds in the world reside in India. And all of us see a lot of patients in our clinics and we treat them well with limited resources. We treat them, we observe, we derive some conclusions. But one thing we don't do is we do not document our observations, do not analyze them, and many of us do not publish them either. So what is research? It is only the documentation of our observations, analyzing them, drawing conclusions, publishing them so that our publications can change the guidelines. We can have our own Indian guidelines which can drive the patient's treatment. So the treatment focuses on Indian guidelines rather than Western guidelines. So it's important in future all of us should be not only clinicians but clinician researchers. India in future needs clinician researchers, and that's why we are here. Whether you are a resident or a consultant or a junior doctor, if you want to become a researcher, it does not need expertise. It needs curiosity. That's the first step. Today we are all here to learn how to do research. We have an expert panel who's going to teach us how to write a research proposal, how to do a publication in a high impact journal, and also how to get funding for research. Remember, a good clinical care can treat one patient, but a good research can change the lives of millions of people. Each clinical problem you see daily in your clinic can be a research project. So remember that. Today we have a galaxy of researchers, right from Dr. Bharti Kulkarni, she is the director of NIN. We have Dr. Padmaja, ophthalmologist from the famous LV Prasad Eye Institute, Professor Amit Acharya from IIT Hyderabad. Then you have Dr. Sudhir, who is a famous orthopedician, and we also have Dr. Shukla, who is the Dean of IIPM. He is from Public Health. So we have a whole expert panel to learn from. So I'm very excited to be a part of this research workshop, and I welcome all of you. Come, join us, hone your research skills. And this is what our country expects from us. There is a huge funding from research from Indian Council of Medical Research. The focus of government is on made in India research. So I welcome all of you to this exciting workshop. This will change your life. Welcome.